Hello everyone. Is your car struggling with erratic shifting, slipping gears, or even going into limp mode? If your OBD-II scanner shows code P0774, Shift Solenoid E Intermittent, this means the solenoid that controls gear shifting is malfunctioning sporadically, leading to unpredictable transmission behavior. Ignoring this can cause major transmission damage and expensive repairs. In this video, I'll explain what P0774 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to locate the key sensors and components to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0774? The P0774 trouble code means that Shift Solenoid E is not working consistently due to an electrical or mechanical fault. This solenoid is responsible for controlling fluid pressure inside the transmission, allowing smooth gear changes. Symptoms of P0774 include hard or delayed shifting, transmission slipping or hesitation, car stuck in limp mode, only second or third gear works, check engine light and transmission warning light on reduced fuel efficiency due to improper gear engagement. If you're experiencing these problems, let's find out where the issue is located. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0774, focus on these key components. Shift solenoid E location, inside the transmission valve body, beneath the transmission fluid pan. Function, controls hydraulic pressure to engage the correct gears. Transmission control module, TCM, powertrain control module, PCM. Location, usually found in the engine bay near the firewall, under the dashboard, or mounted on the transmission itself. Function, sends signals to the shift solenoid to regulate gear changes. Transmission fluid pressure, TFP, sensor location, mounted on the transmission case close to the valve body. Function, monitors fluid pressure to ensure proper shifting. Input speed sensor, ISS. Location, attached to the transmission housing near the input shaft. Function, measures the input shaft speed and helps control gear shifts. Wiring and connectors. Location, runs between the solenoids, sensors, and PCM-TCM. Function, transfers electrical signals. Damaged wiring can cause intermittent solenoid failure. Common causes of P0774. 1. Faulty shift solenoid E. Internal wear or failure causing inconsistent operation. 2. Dirty or low transmission fluid. Contaminated fluid can clog solenoids and prevent smooth shifting. 3. Wiring issues. Corroded, frayed, or loose wires causing intermittent solenoid function. 4. Bad transmission control module, TCM. A failing TCM may not send proper signals to the solenoid. 5. Faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor. Incorrect pressure readings can affect gear shifts. 6. Blown fuse or relay. A damaged fuse related to the transmission system can cause shifting issues. How to fix P0774? Step 1. Check transmission fluid. Ensure it's clean and at the correct level. Step 2. Inspect shift solenoid E. Use a multimeter to check resistance and function. Step 3. Test the transmission fluid pressure sensor. Verify readings match manufacturer specs. Step 4. Inspect all wiring and connectors. Look for broken, corroded, or loose connections. Step 5. Check input speed sensor, ISS. Ensure it's providing accurate data to the PCM. Step 6. Test fuses and relays. Replace any damaged ones that affect the transmission system. Step 7. Scan for PCM-TCM errors. Update or reprogram if necessary. Step 8. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and monitor performance. A failing shift solenoid E can cause serious shifting problems, so diagnosing P0774 early can prevent costly repairs. Always check your solenoids, wiring, and sensors to ensure smooth transmission operation. Watch these related videos next. P0414, secondary air injection system switching valve. B circuit. P0415, secondary air injection system switching valve. B circuit open. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.